Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to show you how to send money from USA to Pakistan using Wise. So first of all you have to go to Wise official website and then tap onto this link wise.com. Now you have to click on send money after choosing your USD to your country like Pakistan. This one, tap onto it, and after then you have to tap onto send money. Then you have to enter your email address. For this video purpose I am gonna go with my Google account. You have to choose whether you are using as a personal account or business account. I'm gonna tap onto personal account. Then you have to enter your country's name or region, then tap continue. Now then tap continue again and then agree and continue, and from there you have to enter your pack phone number, then tap on to send money. So that's it. Send the full amount you want in your first transfer. Only the first transaction is free, so avoid breaking it into smaller payments to skip additional fees later. That's it. Now you have to confirm the details and click continue. So this is how you can transfer money from USA to Pakistan easily. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. See you.